Hey guys, I usually don't do this type of videos, but I just want to give a heads up. If you're traveling down to downtown Port Moresby, please check your card review before you go inside the store. If you have anything valuable inside, let's say laptop, boombox, make sure you carry one that you go inside or put it underneath the seat of the car. If you're traveling on the bus, you use your phone view, sit down on the bus, no sit down on the side of the window, they go use your phone view. If you're traveling on the taxi, I suggest you snap your plate number of the taxi, send it to whoever your relative that is waiting for you on your destination. There's always WhatsApp live location and Google live location, just to be safe. And if you're walking down the alley, ANZ, Kinabank, IRC, Wind Strong Straight Lab, so I suggest sorry, if you born man or me, I suggest you pocket this sample stone. Very weight you, cause wind la happen strong. Now so wind blow me going selo.
Car pluan plam marit merina. Close to all paiti me.